Hello, welcome to my first art vlog. I finally have some free time today because it's Saturday and I don't have any work on Saturdays and Sundays. It's been a long time since I last made any art. I thought I'd try vlogging about it. Today, I'll be doing a gouache painting. I only used gouache once before, then I set it aside. Now that I have some free time, I'll give it another try. Come join me and let's see how it goes. First, I started with the pencil sketch of my reference. When I sketch, I begin with the circle to map out the entire face on the paper. Next, I estimate the positions of the eyes, nose, and mouth using guidelines. Then I sketch the hair. I'm drawing my girlfriend, who is also an artist. By the way, don't forget to follow her on social media. It's been a while since I last drew because I've been busy with work and other things. This makes me really excited to dive back into it. While I'm working on my art, I sometimes watch rap battles or listen to rap music. Other times, I prefer complete silence. It depends on my mood and the complexity of what I'm working on. I'm almost done with the sketch for the painting. I made a few adjustments to make it look more like my girlfriend. And now, the sketch is finished. The gouache paint brand I'm using is ARTVLOG, which my girlfriend gave me. I haven't used it much since my first try. As you can see, I forgot to squeeze or shake the tube to mix the paint inside. First, I poured out the colors that I thought I would need for this painting and start mixing it. Before I paint on the paper, I put some tape or sticker on the area that I don't want to paint for background purposes. I started coloring the face. I'm not very skilled at using gouache yet, so I'm just figuring out how to apply it. But I've noticed that gouache is easy to reactivate with water. Its opacity is also impressive. If you want to apply it in dark tones, you don't need to add water or just a little bit. If you want to lower the opacity, you add more water. Right now, I'm layering light skin tones. Here, I'm adding even lighter tones to create more depth and dimension in the skin. I've started adding black and brown paint to the hair. When it comes to painting small strands of the hair, I usually do those last after finishing the skin tones. I removed the tape that I placed earlier. I used tape to ensure the yellow would have the same output. I styled it with a cut lower part of the reference just for a unique touch. I added a heart here to include an extra element in the painting. I added her name at the top in a Japanese style font, which I often use in my Vexel or digital art. I thought it would be a nice addition to this piece as well. Please suggest some techniques or tips to help me improve my next vlog, as I know I'm not very skilled at vlogging yet. Thanks for watching and see you next time.